heavenly place our spirits with Jesus remain. Sent the third in the final days as the woman groans in pain. Exalted in highest heavens, high above everything.